In this video, we're going to be doing a demonstration of our 3D printed bath bomb mold of a puck with a heart on the bottom. And so this consists of a bottom plate, which has the heart design, an outside shell, and the top plunger, which is plain. So you want to start by taking your bottom plate and sticking it on the bottom of your table, or however it is that you want to. A lot of people use that in their hands. I do not. So I stick my bottom plate on the table, shell goes on the top, and now we're going to start filling nice and loosely, just a little bit. Give it a shake, and we're going to take our finger and give a couple little gentle presses, just so that we can try to ensure we get the details of that heart on the bottom. Very lightly, you don't need to press too hard. And then continue filling, shaking in between, just to make sure that all this mix gets down into the cracks and crevices. You can make this as tall or as squat as you like, depending on how much mix you put in there. I usually fill it up to about 3/4 of the way, because then once I start pressing, it compresses it down a little bit, okay? So then you take your top plunger, turn it over, stick it in, and give some presses. Press and turn, just to ensure a nice, even molding all the way around. Okay, I usually, on this particular mold then, I will just turn the whole thing upside down and give some, I don't tap around the outside. I don't feel it's necessary with this particular mold, but I do give some taps on the bottom plate, because that's what we're going to be unmolding first, is the bottom plate. We're going to take our fingers underneath on the plunger, and we're going to push straight up. Now we're going to go ahead and take this the bottom plate up and off, and this is the one, remember, that has the design. So you want to be gentle. You don't want to just go yanking it off. And there's the heart. All right, grab your cardboard, stick it on the top and turn it over. And then just go straight up and off with your plunger. Now to see that design, I'll go ahead and turn it over again, but there's the bottom, it's plain. And there's how thick our puck / tablet is. But we'll go ahead and turn it over so you guys can see the design of the heart. And there you go. There's a very beautiful heart, puck, tablet mold. Beautiful. If you guys would like to purchase this or any other of our molds, you can find them on soap-chef.com.